Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Mavidikaya Pappu, that is a raw mango dal recipe. This is again mango season, so time to prepare this Mavidikaya Pappu, Andhra special variety. And Mavidikaya Pappu are a mango dal taste tangy and slightly hard from green chilies, and is one of the best Andhra dal recipe. And Mavidikaya Pappu can be had with rice or chapati, and makes a simple and a hearty meal when accompanied with papad and uramirapakayalu and pickle. So mangoes are available throughout the year in some places, but in Andhra available only in summer. So now time to prepare a sour mango that is not young is best suited to make this mango dal. Chopped raw mango pieces with best seasoning, cooked with dal, green chilies, and to smooth and then tempered. There are variations to making this dal, but here keep it is simple, not to lose the taste and the flavor of raw mango. Now we'll see how to prepare this easy recipe. First we'll see the ingredients to prepare. Here we taking tur dal half cup, and a small sour mango half piece, or if you like more sour you can add one full mango, and green chilies 3, curry leaves a few, and oil 2 tablespoon, and black gram 1.5 tablespoon, and fenugreek seeds 3 seeds, and mustard seeds 3/4 tablespoons, cumin seeds 3/4 tablespoon, and asafoetida, that is hing a little, and red chili powder a little less than 1/4 tablespoon, and turmeric powder a little less than 1/4 tablespoon, and salt to taste, and garlic if you like you can add it. This is optional. So these are the ingredients, and now we'll see the directions to prepare this tangy and tasty mango dal recipe. First take dal in a bowl and wash, pour water over the dal and keep aside. Now take the raw mango and clean it, and peel the skin and cut into small pieces. Now add this mango pieces to the dal in pressure cooker, and place the bowl in a pressure cooker and cook. Just before the pressure develops in the pressure cooker and it is about to whistle, make the flame low and cook for 10 minutes, and before switching it off, make the flame high for a little while, so that the dal will be cooked to the required consistency. And before switching it off, make the flame high for a little while. Give a standing time till the entire pressure is gone. With the pressure inside the pressure cooker, the dal will be cooked completely even after we remove it from flame. So it is very well cooked now. Heat pan and add oil to it, and when oil is hot, then add fenugreek seeds and fry. When the seeds are golden brown in color, add mustard seeds followed by cumin seeds and fry well. And after that, then add a little turmeric powder and mix well, and then add green chilies and fry. Then add curry leaves and mix well, and finally add asafoetida. And now in this step you can add red chilies and garlic if you like to add. Fry well. So remember to add fenugreek seeds in the seasoning whenever you prepare a sour dish, and it gives a nice flavor when fried in oil. That is the combination. And so whenever we use lemon, tamarind or mango, use of fenugreek seeds in the seasoning is important. So add this seasoning to the dal and along with the salt And now coming to important step, that is adding red chili powder to the dal. For this, take a little oil in kadai and immediately add a little chili powder and switch off the stove, and adding red chili powder with oil gives a very good color to the dal. You have to switch off the flame immediately because red chili powder should not be burnt, so be careful while doing this process. And then add this to dal and mix well. So wonderful color added to the dal after pouring this red chili powder. So this gives very good flavor and color to the dal. So adding red chili powder to hot oil and then mixing it to mango dal is very important step preparing in mango dal recipe. So do it accordingly. And after that, cover the pan and cook on low flame for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes the dal will be ready with the right consistency. Let the dal be a bit watery. As it cools down, it becomes thick. So wonderful recipe of mango dal is learnt here, and it's very much ready to serve now. Transfer this dal to a serving bowl. Serve hot with any pickle or challamirapakayalu, and don't forget to serve ghee. So when you are taking this mango dal with plain rice, adding ghee gives a delicious taste to it. So don't forget to add ghee when you are taking this in lunch. So challamirapakayalu is again a unique recipe which I'll explain how to prepare those chilies in next video. So this is a very good combination, challamirapakayalu and odiyalu, that is also we prepare in summer in Andhra. So I'll explain in next video. In summer, people like to take fries, that is oily food. So instead of taking all that fries and oil rich curries, it is best to take this type of dals, and I enjoy the summers. So in next video we'll learn how to prepare this challamirapakayalu, the combination for this mango dal recipe. So I hope you like my video, and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So like and subscribe. Thank you.